Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to solve the problem of image not displaying in HTML page. In order to do that, I have created a boilerplate of HTML and I have put a tag of image and I have give the source of coffee.jpg and I have started the server, but the image is not showing. What is the problem? First of all, please check the extension file name of this file. Our file's extension is JPEG, but here in source we have put the JPEG with E. Let's delete this first and save the file. And as you can see now, the coffee image is displaying. Second issue that might have been in error giving by not displaying the image is the path of the image. In order to make sure that we can find the path of the image very easy, we have to go to the source of the image tag and simply by putting the dot and slash and saving this, and as you can see the image still displaying. This occurs because the server path is found and the image displaying correctly. The third issue that might not be in our image displayed is the folder structure of the website. For this example, I'm gonna create a folder. I'm gonna name it images and I'm gonna move my coffee.jpg image inside this folder. Okay, as you can see now, the image is not displaying anymore. This is because I have moved the image to directory. How to find that? We're coming here, always putting this dot slash, and after that we're putting the folder name, and after that we're putting once again slash. As you can see, we have the options of coffee.jpg. Okay, choosing this, pressing save, and voila, our image is displaying correctly. One and other issue that might be corrupt our image displaying in HTML is because sometimes the naming of the files might be wrong spelling. For this instance, I'm gonna give a space and I'm gonna put 1, pressing enter, and our image is not displaying because the file name is wrong. I'm gonna put the space once again and we'll put the 1, pressing save, and now in this particular example is displaying, but in some browsers might corrupt and the image will not be displayed anymore. In order to prevent this error, you have to come here to this file name and rename it once again, and you have to put the underscore before 1, putting underscore and no any spacing, pressing enter, and let's correct also our HTML file's name inside the image tag, pressing save, and voila, our image is displaying once again. So in this video, I just want to show you how to prevent the errors or the image not displaying in HTML browser. I hope I helped for this solution. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. And with that said, I will see you very soon in my next video. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.